Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we're making a very special recipe that's boneless mutton handi. This is very easy to make and for this we'll use about 500 grams of boneless meat and we'll add it to a pressure cooker. And to this we'll also add in about 2 to 3 medium sized thinly sliced onions. If they are large you can add 2, otherwise it's 3 onions. And along with this freshly ground ginger garlic paste about 1.5 teaspoons, salt about half a teaspoon, and around 1/4 cup of water. Let's mix this well and then we'll pressure cook this. First, once the whistle comes, lower the flame and cook it for about 10 minutes. So now we'll pressure cook this meat. In the meantime, I've used 2 tomatoes. If you want a lot of gravy, then you can add 3 tomatoes. The meat is cooked. I cooked it for about 10 minutes and it also has some stock in it. So we'll use it along with the stock. And here I have ground the tomatoes and along with that 200 ml of yogurt. And the spices used are 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 3/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 3/4 teaspoon, garam masala half a teaspoon. So these are the spices that we'll be using in the masala. Salt we've already added while pressure cooking. Now add the meat to a pan and to this we'll add in the ground tomatoes and the yogurt. We won't put on the flame first till we add in the yogurt. If you add the yogurt when the meat is really hot, then it might curdle. So after adding the yogurt and the tomato, switch on the flame and start cooking the meat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please write in the comments if you tried this recipe. Now the tomato and the yogurt mixture is cooked well. So I'll just put it aside and we'll add oil. I've used very little oil for this. This recipe calls for a lot of oil. So you can add oil according to your need. I've added about 4 tablespoons of oil to this, but such recipes require much more, and I added another 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll fry the ginger garlic paste till the raw aroma goes and then add in all the other spices, the powdered spices, and we'll mix it well together. You can also just add it on top of the mutton, but I like to first roast the ginger garlic paste and the masalas before I mix it along with the mutton. So after it's cooked, it looks like this. The oil also separates out. At this point, we'll add in Kasuri methi, which is about 1 tablespoon. So this is a really chatpata and flavorful recipe. So at this point, if you like it like this, then you can stop at this level. But generally to this recipe, we add in about some fresh cream. You generally add about 100 ml of fresh cream. But I've just added about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for this. You can add it according to your need. You can add up to 100 ml also. I just added some water to the bowl and added it to the cream bowl. Mix it well, add water according to the consistency you require. This recipe tastes great both as it is with and without the cream. So if you like a spicy chatpata masala, then you can leave the cream and serve it as it is by adding green chilies. So it's as simple as this. You cook the mutton separately and the masala is very easy to make, and a delicious recipe is ready to be served. You can serve this with parathas or naans or as a side dish. And while serving, right at the end, we'll add a bit of ghee, which is about 1 teaspoon. You can garnish it with green chilies, some ginger, and it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this delicious mouth-watering recipe.